What wheel spacers fit Evolution X? When it comes to the best Evolution X wheel spacers, always choose the general brand set. In fact, reputable manufacturers make nice Evolution X wheel spacers. A general brand usually becomes a general brand because it has developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated, and the factories only use processes that have been proven to be safe. With such Evolution X wheel spacers, you will be able to enjoy your driving with peace of mind. Using Evolution X wheel spacers is safe, but make sure that they are strong enough to withstand service impact. In this case, both Evolution X wheel spacers are the priority. High-end Evolution X wheel spacers are made from both 6061T6 or 005T6 aluminum alloys. These Evolution X wheel spacers are continuously pressed under tones of pressure. This process eliminates any priority and shrinkage. The resulting Evolution X wheel spacers have a high degree of uniformity in the grain structure, allowing them to withstand more forces without breaking. As a rule of thumb, both Evolution X wheel spacers are safer and more reliable. They are bolted to the vehicle hub, and the wheels are mounted on the spacers. Two sets of wheel nuts keep the hub spacer wheel connection strong and stable. Therefore, in addition to the Evolution X wheel spacers themselves, the strength of the stud and the lug nut is extremely important. To ensure a stable wheel connection, BONOSS both on Evolution X wheel spacers come with ISO grade 4.9 wheel studs. These studs are considered to be the highest security studs in the industry. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with SGS and PV certificates. In general, aluminum alloys have good corrosion resistance and rust proof. They are resistant to rust and corrosion, unlike their steel counterparts. To further enhance the corrosion resistance and appearance of the Evolution X wheel spacers, BONOSS aluminum Evolution X wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hot anodizing. A proper hot anodizing ensures complete protection against corrosion. The oxide layer that follows the anodizing process provides excellent protection. The black color not only provides a premium appearance, but also tends to be the light first. This means that anodized Evolution X wheel spacers are not easily corroded or oxidized, which makes them safe for long-term use. So, if you have any questions about the wheel spacers, leave your comments below. See you in next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.